Hey guys, are you looking to buy the best headlight restoration kits? Well, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about the top 5 best headlight restoration kits available on the market. If you want to know the price and get more information about the products mentioned in this video, you can check the link in the description box below. So let's get started. Starting with the Sakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit includes everything you need to polish and protect your headlights. The first step is to use Sakote's proprietary oxidation remover wipes to prep the surface. Next, you wet sand the surface of the headlight with the included surface prep pad and discs to remove deep oxidation and light scratches. Once the surface is prepped, wipe on Sakote's ceramic coating wipes to restore and protect the plastic from future oxidation. This kit doesn't include bottles of solution or require the use of power tools, so it might not get your lenses quite as clear as others, but it's a great no-tool solution. Now, our second product is Maguires 2-Step Headlight Restoration Kit. This 2-step kit from Maguires is a popular choice and with good reason. It's an affordable option from a renowned car care company, and it gets the job done without tools. It includes a cleaning solution for clearing up the headlight lenses and a coating solution for adding additional protection. 2 applicator pads are also included. In the event your headlights need a more powerful cleaning, Maguires also offers a heavy-duty headlight restoration kit that includes the company's Plast X Polish headlight coating solution and more aggressive cleaning pads, including a sanding pad and wool pad that attach to a drill. Our third product is the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. Sylvania is the only company on this list that not only makes headlights but also sells a headlight restoration kit. This 3-step kit includes everything you need to bring back clarity to sun-damaged headlights. Sylvania includes a surface activator designed to prep the surface for sanding and polishing with the included clarifying compound. Once properly polished, there's a UV block clear coat designed to prevent future UV damage. There aren't any fancy applicators in this kit, but there's sandpaper of various grits, as well as polished cloths and gloves for carefully applying the clear coat and clarifying compound. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Headlight, Restore and Protect. If you already have applicator pads and tools, Chemical Guys 1-Step Headlight Restore and Protect solution is a quick, cost-effective solution to rid your headlights of yellowing and imperfections. In addition to polishing the headlight using the micro-abrasive cream formula, this solution also includes a full synthetic wax sealant that helps block UV rays from yellowing the plastic in the future. While a drill-powered tool will certainly speed up the process and results, there's nothing stopping you from going at your yellowing headlights with this, a microfiber towel or sponge, and a healthy bit of elbow grease to get results. And our last choice is Maguires Keep Clear Headlight Coating. Maguires Keep Clear Headlight Coating is a trusted solution for maintaining the clarity and longevity of vehicle headlights. Designed to provide a durable protective barrier, this product prevents oxidation and yellowing caused by UV exposure and environmental factors. Packaged in a convenient aerosol spray can, it's easy to apply and suitable for both seasoned car enthusiasts and beginners. The coating dries quickly, forming a clear, non-sticky layer that enhances headlight brightness while extending their lifespan. A single application offers up to a year's protection, depending on environmental conditions and usage. For best results, it is recommended to use this coating after restoring headlights with Maguires Headlight Restoration Kit or similar products. Performance-wise, the coating excels at maintaining a like-new appearance for headlights, improving visibility and enhancing vehicle aesthetics. The application process is straightforward. Just spray evenly on clean, dry headlights and allow it to dry. In summary, Maguires Keep Clear Headlight Coating is an affordable and effective way to protect and preserve headlight clarity, ensuring safer nighttime driving. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to make your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify you about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.